So I'm just going to do like an intro. That's what I'm taking there. Go like that there. Grab view off. So just a little intro. I'll do it with my phone too. So I'm already recording. Phone. I just popped here. I did, bro. Glasses are fine, don't sweat. Perfect. My favourite video. Beautiful. That means I get to cross up here. Let's go, quickly, make it to the light G. Yeah, we're good. This is where we picked up yesterday. It's like a jet ski on the fucking road though, yeah? Like a jet ski on land, man. change in a minute. See? You get to know the lights. Thank you. Green, all the way green. Let's go home! Ow! Perfect. Hold up. I know all these lights. Like I know all them trains, like I know all the city. Born and bred, always been here, yeah? Yeah, I could go, but I'll just wait now actually. He didn't, let's go. Maybe I was slow. I don't know. Some junkies you gotta watch out for. They pop out in the corner, we're going downhill now. Can't tell because it all looks straight, but this is downhill. So we're getting ready to climb an even bigger hill. This is a slow gradient all the way down to one big up we go, matey, up here. Love this. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, this off-road scooter is beautiful. whoa, 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 whoa. Really? See, go watch them. And this, here, they, like, someone gets up and goes, what's that fucking noise? Too late then, huh? We got a red one. Even though it's green, son? Yeah, man. We'll wait out the red one. I love this weather. Once the sun comes up, it's gonna all clear. So it's gonna all clear. Here's up the hill. All the way up now. This is all one big higher gradient. Such power in this little bastard. Still accelerate. Now we're flattening out. But we've got one little test of strength right here. Hey, easy peasy. That's its crest of the hill now. All the way downhill, all the way home. And all through here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's all like four-wheel drive. Because look at these little inner holes in the road. See them? There's three. There's one there. There's one here. Right? And then one here. Thank God I'm on fucking this one here, because it'll do it. Oh, we got a man. Quick man, quick, quick. He just changed, he had a one next to his name. Why would I buy a car? This is so much fun, bro. Every day is fun. It's literally like I'm on like an old CR 125 or something like that, or an RM 125. Just gotta watch out, you know, for that sleepyhead. And the road itself, the path itself, is its own natural, here we go, jumps and shit. It's beautiful. Big downhill here, so you gotta watch out for cars backing out. They can't see until you're on top of them. So lean on brakes all the way down here. Cut across, boss. Ready? Yep, yeah. This is my favourite jump. Whoop, yeah boy. Red light up ahead. Should be about change of green once we get there, I reckon. I love doing this. When there's someone in there. That's me. About time, I reckon. Getting there if I hit the light in time. Bump, bump, bump. This has been great. I love this weather, mate. There he is. Steven, you want to know which lights? Them lights. Them lights. Them lights. Whoop, whoop, wrong side. Whoop, showing lights off, that's why. Yeah. Stop now. it's all pretty flat, then a little slight up at the last bit. Whoop, whoop, and go across. Whoa! Stop though. Go on then. Yep, yep. You can go one more. Let's go. Hold it, bro. The bikes are out now, look. Oh, can we make it? I bet you we just cruise past, move past. Look at that there. I recognise. We've got the Harley Davidson scooters, alright. Oh, just missed the light. Oh no, about to make the light. How sweet. What's the light? What fucking light? What? Look, I'll show you which light. You saw it just before when we came the first bit, or? Unless I cut it out. Well, here we go. This one, hurries up, man. Nice, huh?